Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox some cars and start a new tournament, King of the Mountain. Let's take a look at the cars. These are the cars we are going to unbox. Now we are unboxing Snowstormer. And next we are unboxing Lightning Bug. Now let me open the remaining cars for you.
Our first driver is Kit Concept. It was inspired by the show Knight Rider and it has a slot cutout in the bottom of the base. A light can be shown into the base and allow the car scanner to function. And it was produced in 2022.
Up next is Electrac. It's a very futuristic car which can glow in the dark and it has a twin engine and it was made in 2017. Up next is Cosmic Coupe. It's a planet exploring machine which is extremely fast for any surface and it was made in California, USA. And here comes the 1963 Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. It has a top speed of 163 miles per hour. The name SL is an abbreviation of the German term Superlight, meaning super light. It has 270 torque and has a price of $19,000 and it was made in Germany. Up next is Lightning Bug. Inspired by the iconic dune buggies of the 60s, there's a cargo space under the hood, an exposed rear engine, and a wrought tube frame that is made in California, USA. The first round is Kit from Knight Rider and Electra. And the first round goes to Electra. And the second round begins. And Electra wins the second round. And now it's time for the third and final round. And Electra wins and qualifies to the next round. And next is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL versus Cosmic Coupe. And Cosmic Coupe wins the first round. And the second round begins. And Cosmic Coupe wins. Now it's time for the third and final round. And the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL wins. But Cosmic Coupe qualifies and moves on to the next round. And Snowstormer wins the first round. And the second round begins. And Snowstormer wins the second round. It's time for the third and final round. And Lightning Bug wins the third round. but Cosmic Cook qualifies and moves on to the next round.
And these are the races that won. Thank you for watching.